Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Beautiful day today. My goodness, is it going to be the last nice day before the end of the year? I do not know. 73 degrees, kind of cloudy out now, but man, the sun was shining earlier. We're good to go right now. All right, I like that where that's at right there. Perfect. Who do we have first in the chat? We got Frank first in the chat. Frank, Victor, Tim, Moji, Brian, Rozzy, Frank, Old Rounder, Moji, Julius, Tim, 1776, Easy Ride, Killer Page, Moji, King Mamba, Rozzy, Mark, King Mamba, Frank, Tim, Crypto, Rocketeer, boom, baby, and Rozzy. What is going on, everybody? Claybro punching in leg and end up talking to HR. Tim, you better, man. Talk to the man, right? You got to talk to the man when you work for the man. Sorry I'm late. Champagne Poppy, you are all good. We literally just started, man. We must have earnings coming out right now on the QQQ. I noticed this big drop. What's causing this big drop? Do we have anything that we could easily see in after hours trading right here? Hey, do you guys know what's falling pretty hard right now? I don't see any big moves. Okay, could be Google. Could be Google earnings report hitting the NASDAQ right there. Looks like it might be Google's earnings report hitting the NASDAQ. All right, could be Google. GoPro getting hit well, no, GoPro's not trading. Looks like it's Google that's dragging the NASDAQ down after hours right now. Earnings. 28 minutes ago. So we have nothing over the last couple of minutes on Google yet. It does seem like Google had some negative earnings, bringing Google down below $100 per share, sitting at $99 right now, down 5% after hours. Recent lows, $94 on Google, currently sitting down 4%, touching $98.99. Anything else reporting earnings? I just saw that big spike down and wanted to know what it was. So let's check this out. Facebook. Looks like Facebook could be getting hit with some earnings here too. Why shares are rising? I don't think they are, but... no, that's nothing there. So it looks like Google is controlling after hours action on the NASDAQ right now. Yeah. 5% loss on Google at the moment, down to $98, $99, $98, $99, $99.20. All right, Google moving pretty heavy there. So if anybody is in Google, beware. You've got some pretty strong earnings coming out, dropping the NASDAQ over 1% after hours already. My goodness, getting ripped. Anybody bought puts at the end of the day today? You might have a very nice open tomorrow. Let's see. Champagne. Well, I don't know if too much is going on with Terra Luna Classic at the moment. The overall crypto market doing very well today. And I think the overall crypto market's doing pretty well today because of the new UK Prime Minister that is over there in the United Kingdom now. Very adoptive cryptocurrency policies that we could be seeing. Crypto Rocketeer, remember when they started at a quarter after and ran for an hour 45? The good old days, Frank. The good old days. Ads. No! What, you got an ad, didn't you? Pretty sure you got an ad on the way in. I don't know. Did you get an ad on the way in? Should have. Says it's on. What could be the impact of the next epoch on LUNC rewards? We saw rewards decreasing by 30% in 2 weeks. So Michael, I don't know, okay? With an optimistic outlook would say that with this new community pool, they would dedicate a majority, or they would dedicate a lot of those new coins that they are going to be minting at the end of every epoch and distributing them to stakers. That could be a very positive sign for Terra Luna Classic if they do something like that. But that is yet to be determined. So that could be a good sign. Other than that, I don't know if we're going to see any positive results. I can't think of anything, at least off the top of my head, that would result in something positive. Hey, bro, I set a new personal record today. It was 36 when I rode my motorcycle home this... Oh, my God. Dude, why would you ride your motorcycle when it's 36 degrees outside? Oh, my gosh, dude. You had to be chilled to the bone, Frank. Wow. Mr. Simon and M, other homie, Moji. DD214, what's going on? Holy Freezer. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Moji. Mullen making moves. Mullen is making moves, man. During the market and after market. Mullen moving up to 53 cents after hours right now. Very nice day. Finished basically flat, 1.62% higher. But making some moves after hours at the moment. I want to keep my eye on the QQQ here and swap back over to Google, man, because Google's sitting at 98.30 at the moment. Touching 97.46. Had a nice little 1 green minute candle there, but we might be printing another red one and continuing lower. Do we have news for Google yet? Let's see. 6 minutes ago, Wall Street notches third straight gain on signs of Fed. This is the dumbest stuff that you read, man. There is literally no signs of the Federal Reserve easing rate hikes. There is nothing from the Federal Reserve to say that they are easing rate hikes or anything for that matter. And these guys that are writing these articles today are trying to say that, you know, the market expects that there's not going to be any interest rate hikes or they won't be 75 basis points. Absolutely wild to see that article right there, but nonetheless, Google posting 2 green candles in a row right here. Might be bouncing back, but it's still down 5.5% in after-hours trading. So we'll see what goes on there. Let's see. Clearo, let's take a moment to discuss churning on the IBC for LUNC and the punk tweets from LUNC developers. Yeah, Tim, man. Look, dude, so that wasn't necessarily a tweet that they said that in. That was you clicked on the tweet and then you went on to their GitHub discussion, which is where they were discussing all of the coding changes that took place. And they were making some, little winky face remarks as to why it did not get turned on at the time that it did, and that's simply because they weren't getting paid. I don't know, guys. There's a lot of people, and you can scroll through the comments and see the amount of people, and there might be some of you in here, right, that think that the developers should not have a vested interest in the performance of Terra Luna Classic, but instead simply be paid to develop. And I understand that. However, when you are rebuilding something that is broken, when you are starting a business, you don't immediately start withdrawing any profits that the business has. You reinvest those so the business can grow to what it's meant to be. And it's very interesting to see people already wanting to withdraw paychecks as opposed to, continuing to grow Terra Luna Classic here. And it does seem like it's starting to get in the way of things, okay? So simply withholding the code and simply withholding the start button because you're not receiving payment. Dude, buy some Terra Luna Classic and then code it the absolute best that you can and watch your money grow 100x because you are a phenomenal coder. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just, use your skill set. Don't sit there and just beg for a paycheck, man. But yeah, Tim, that's what they were doing, man. They were basically saying that they were withholding any work because they're not receiving a paycheck. And there's a lot of people in the comments that are like, well, we're at the mercy of the developers. I'm going to tell you right now, you're not at the mercy of anybody. You're not at the mercy of anybody. If these developers quit, somebody will step up and build it up because they realize how much money can be made. Not because they realize how much of a paycheck they can withdraw, because they realize how much money can be made. Dude, I'm going to tell you right now, if these developers if Terra Rebels leave Terra Luna Classic, I will spend the next 6 months learning how to code, probably better than every single one of them, and I will single-handedly build it back up to a $100+ billion valuation during the next bull market. Test me if you want, but somebody can make that happen. And if nobody will, I will. Tim is exactly right. I don't know who started that bounty coin, if that was Danger or who that was, but bounty coin seems like it might be a necessity at this point, man. We got to hold these developers and we got to hold these guys accountable. And Bounty Coin may be the best way to do so. Let's get started. So he's like, LUNC, but for a stock, not crypto. You had AMC for a long time, and it was the OG. Yeah, so Brian, definitely, man. I looked it up. I think that, oh God, now I forget. So I think Trey may have posted a video one day prior to me posting a video on AMC, and yes, absolutely, okay? So the stock market right now is not doing well. Crypto market right now is also not doing well. I personally believe there's a little bit more opportunity in the crypto market at the moment, okay? But the stock market is something that I love as well. So absolutely. And I don't know if it'll be on a singular stock, but the stock market in its entirety is something that I am interested in, something that I know a lot about, and something that I feel very comfortable making videos about. So it is definitely on the table to continue making videos either about stocks or about the stock market in general. I will say this though, and you guys can tell by the 50 people that are in here as opposed to the 500 people that are in here when prices are going up. People are extremely discouraged right now about anything that has to do with investment. And that's kind of sad. So yes, I will definitely make videos on stocks again. But here's an interesting thing. I don't know if it'll show up for you guys. I was on an incognito page on YouTube because I always like to see what YouTube's recommending, right? And if you go incognito, you'll usually see a video of like Sniper Wolf, that girl that's got, 10 or 30 million subscribers. I don't know how much she has right now, but she makes a video every day just basically reacting to different TikToks and stuff. You see her, you see Mr. Beast and a few other people, and I want to tell you who you see right now that YouTube is trying to push out there, and it's very, very strange to me. GDB! Claybros Peach, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody else, keep your eyes closed. That is for Genie B only. Thank you very much, Genie B. You guys can actually go test this right now if you want. If you want to go out to Chrome or if you want to go out to, if you want to go in your YouTube app and look to see if it shows up for you. So I just opened up an incognito page, and Primal Investor shows up. This dude's got 4.8 thousand subscribers, and his video here has 200,000 views. Recommended on the incognito YouTube page for everybody to see. And this is a very interesting story that YouTube is trying to push. And because they get it, right? Mr. Beast, recommend him all day. Sniper Wolf, recommend her all day. These people get ridiculous amounts of views. And one, they deserve to be recommended. But also, two, they know people are watching them. So, of course, they're going to recommend them. This is very interesting, okay? 199,000 views. The title of this video is America is Getting Wiped Out. This is what's coming. And you got some old dude with glasses on, bald head, little slick back hair back there. And he's going to tell you why America is getting wiped out. And surprisingly, a lot of his videos are getting recommended by YouTube. He's not necessarily getting the amount of subscribers from them, but YouTube is pushing these videos out. The most eye-opening 10 minutes of your life. The worst crash in human history is coming. That's 60,000 views. 56,000. The worst crash in global history is on the horizon. Humanity's worst crash ever is happening right now. The most eye-opening 12 minutes of your life. The worst crash in human history has begun. America is getting wiped out. You have no idea how big this is. The biggest crash of our lifetime. Guys, we're talking 30 to 200,000 views on all of these videos. Not coming from subscribers, but coming from YouTube pushing this idea. I do not know why YouTube is trying to push the idea that America is getting wiped out. If they're preparing us for it, or if it's just something to get you concerned and worried ahead of November. I don't know what the idea is. But YouTube definitely pushing content on the fact that America is getting wiped out right now. And I did want to see if you guys saw that anywhere. So if you're incognito, pulled up that, what is this guy? Primal Investor at all. I think that would be very interesting to see. You got to be in incognito mode, though. Otherwise, Google's going to cater your content to things you've seen before and so on. TRG Toys! Clay Bro, happy Tuesday. Crew, what's going on, TRG, man? Dark Bro, bounty coin, baby. Let's make it happen. Clay Bro, you told me to buy your OnlyFans, and the only gain I had was carpal tunnel surgery. Ouch. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Transparent, man. Seems like it worked out. It was a very good OnlyFans purchase for you. This dude's wild, man. Moji, Genie B, thank you for the peach. Absolutely, thank you for the peach, Genie B. Dark Bro, for real, Tim. These people are way out of line. Absolutely. Pull! Boom! First in the chat, baby. Well, the video title fits. It does, man. What's up, Paul? Or, oh yeah, Moji, what's up? What's up? When Moon, Victor, always soon Moon, man. Matthew says those titles will cause the flash trading bots that the stock trading houses and individuals who have bots set to trade to sell off, and then whoever is behind those clickbait headlines will buy low. I'm not trying to judge this guy, right? He's probably been around. I mean, he either looks like a professor or looks like some dude that is going to be painting. Just like some dude that lives in a cabin and he's going to be painting and enjoying his retired life, or possibly some sort of a retired professor. Okay, so, well, he says that he's an American lawyer, economist, investment banker, speaker, media commentator, and author. Some people just do too much, man. Some people just do too much. But I agree with you, man. And I don't know. I don't understand how YouTube is promoting like such strong titles destroying America here. It's kind of interesting to me. Yes, let's start the apocalypse now. I just want to take stuff. There you go. Tim? I'm pretty sure you can. Well, no, you live in Ohio, right? No, we still follow rules here. I was going to say, you could just take stuff if you wanted to, but we still follow rules. Thoughts on Tectonic Coin? YNB, man. We got a lot of people very interested in Tectonic. Right now, please treat it as some sort of a lottery ticket. It's got way too small of a market cap to be taken. Is something like long-term right now. So please treat it as a lottery ticket. It's only got a $12 million market cap that is very low and could easily be abandoned. Hey, the U.S. is an empire in decline. We don't have any more diesel. The lack of diesel will affect everything because everything needs diesel to be transported. U.S. imports all of its diesel, and diesel is extremely expensive right now. I will say this, though. Mr. Simon, I do agree. Okay, I see that the U.S. is still a powerhouse, but I do see that there's way too much internal division to really consider it anything other than on the decline. And that does sadden me a little bit, right? I know that everybody here should be proud to be an American. It's not just a song. Of course, if you're not from America, that doesn't apply to you. But nonetheless, there is a lot of pride there. And I completely agree with you, Simon. And I don't think it's just the dependence on energy or oil or diesel or anything like that. That is definitely a contributor. But I also think, man, there's a lot of wild narratives being spread out there right now that are feeding this destruction. Like this guy's video. And I didn't watch the video, right? I clicked on his channel to see what this dude's all about. And he's got a lot of self-destructive videos on here about how we are on the brink of collapse. We've got one of two things that we could do, man. We can self-prophesy it, and we can talk about the collapse until we collapse, which I think might be one of the directions that we're headed. But at the same time, dude, it's strange to see, you know. I would get it if this guy had an audience. If I clicked on this guy's channel and he had 400,000 subscribers instead of 4,000 subscribers, that he's found his audience here who like the doom and gloom stuff, right? I know people who like the doom and gloom stuff. They feed on it, man. They need it for some reason. And I completely get that. I understand that. But for YouTube to promote the doom and gloom stuff is strange to me. That part's strange to me. Abraham Lincoln once said, "A house divided against itself cannot stand." There's a lot of division happening right now, and has been for a very long time. Dark Bro, absolutely, man. Is Cardano having a good day today? Let's see. Crypto is having a great day across the board, man. And look, anybody in the QQQ right now, if you guys got puts, you're going to wake up to a very nice day tomorrow. 14% gains in Cardano. Yes, looking very good there. I will say this, though, man. This is interesting. I haven't pulled up the Cardano chart here in a little while. This was the major level of support that we had on there, and it was broken. 40 cents, broken to the downside, and retesting that today. So you might get a pullback here. If you're in Cardano, please look at that and do a little bit more, I guess, digging yourself and decide if you want to use this resistance line. But if you're short-term trading it, you're at a very significant place right now at 41 cents here. You might be bouncing off of this resistance and either pulling back before you break through. But yeah, if you do break through, you're going to see a nice little run. So watch that. I did not just put that on there. Haven't looked at this chart in probably weeks. So just know that when it broke down through resistance, you had a 30+% decline, 25. Yeah, 10 cents on 40 cents, 25% decline. And bouncing back nicely today to retest it. So watch that. If you guys are in and you don't believe that the bull market is starting, then you may see a pullback here from where you're at. Nonetheless, guys, we got to go check out Google because I see the QQQ continuing to be destroyed after hours, and I can't imagine that it's not because of Google here. So let's see. Okay, Google's still down. There's got to be something else driving losses here. Anybody know of any other bigger tech stocks that are falling pretty hard right now? We've got, so Meta is down 3%, yes. Following a very similar pattern to Google, but is anybody seeing any other declines besides Google and Meta here? Amazon down 2%, so Amazon's pulling its weight down there too. So I would say that Amazon could be driving some of these QQQ losses as well. But man, anybody that would be rolling some puts after hours right now has got to be looking good on the QQQ. Let's see. When do you see the market rug pull, or do you think we will see gains until the elections? Man, JJ. So I don't think that we're going to get news necessarily that pulls the market. We tried to break up through this resistance level today and did very well, but we're coming back down after hours right now, back below this 280 resistance. And that's on earnings reports. So earnings reports continuing to be negative, which we would expect during high inflation times and high interest rate times. Earnings are going to be falling because of that. So earnings could come into play as a negative factor for stocks and so on over the next couple of quarters here as businesses adjust to the higher inflation rates. So I don't think that's going to pull the market or rug the market. I think that the next major thing that might be on the agenda is the next Federal Reserve rate hike. So you got a lot of talk right now about investors expecting less than 75 basis point interest rate hikes, and if they remain at 75, I think that pulls the market or rugs the market, as you say, and you can see another major decline because of that. Anything other than that would be politically related, yes. So kind of like you're saying, midterm elections, you've got everything going on with Russia and the Ukraine right now. China could start causing a stir again. There's a lot of politically motivated stuff that could also rug the market. So politics, especially with this new UK Prime Minister, you got politics, you've got like economics with inflation and interest rates and the expectations surrounding those. And I think those are your two major concerns right there that would rug anything. Earnings aren't going to rug it, but I do think earnings are going to be negative. What up, with Shiba today? Ethereum and Bitcoin are booming, and Shib is barely doing anything. Crap day. Better luck next time. LOL. Chris. Yeah, man. Shiba Inu coin pulling back a little bit right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting up 2%. Bitcoin up about 4%. Ethereum best performer on the day on this page right here. coming back down off 15,000, but nonetheless was looking very good with an 8+% gain there. And a nice rally, right? A nice rally, which I believe is attributable to the new prime minister in the UK and in his cryptocurrency policies. That's why we saw such a nice run in crypto today. It's also on the Bible, and they're accusing Jesus of heresy. Yes, it's a true statement, documented in history more than once. Let's see. Jennifer! Hold on. I clicked the button and it didn't go. Boom, boom, tss. Boom, boom, tss. Boom, boom, tss. Boom, boom, tss. Jennifer, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate it. I don't even know what is this? I mean, this isn't necessarily a fist bump, right? What is this right here? I don't even know what to call that. Jennifer, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm with you, Frank, but it'll never happen. Darn it, what did Frank say? Emoji ad rather than turn their backs because we stopped sending them money. Yeah, dude, I really don't think that that's ever gonna happen either. I think that we're just in some sort of a spending spree. But I agree with you, man. My 100% thought is that we will not be out of a bear market until that war that's going on is over. Hey, you know what, Bronson? I don't disagree with that. Dude. And here's what I don't want to see happen. That to last as long as some of these other wars have, right? And it's very interesting, and you guys, I'm sure, have your own opinions on it too. But you have to remember, okay, the Ukraine is not an ally, right? It's not an ally, yet we are sending tens of billions, not millions, tens of billions of dollars to the Ukraine right now. And you guys can say it's the only way that they remain the Ukraine and all of that. The harsh sentiment or the harsh kind of ideal is it's not our problem. You know what I mean? Like, they are not an ally. It's not our problem. I don't know if we would defend China. Would we defend Russia? You know what I mean? Are we going to defend Russia if, I don't know, Zimbabwe decides to invade Russia right now and they're pushing Russians back? Do we defend Russia at that point? They're not our ally. And you would say, well, no, we're not going to defend Russia. They're not our ally. Neither is the Ukraine. So it's very interesting that we've got this idea going on out there, and we are essentially piggy banking this entire war here and allowing it to happen. And it's a lot of money, guys. It's not just dollars, right? It's tens of billions of dollars. U.S. debt gas here is currently in Anchorage, $4.89 a gallon. That is very high. I believe it's like $3.60 here in Ohio right now. It's called the bro bump, dude. I like it, Bronson. That's the bro bump, man. It's the secret bro handshake. Yes, okay, this is what I say. Since we couldn't take over Voyager, we take over the Terra Rebels, and we take over LUNC and start Bro Park. Let me say this, dude. Dark Bro, I don't think that that's that far off, man. I don't think it's that far off. I think that if the Terra Rebels self-destruct, we could easily take over the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. If the Terra Rebels begin to self-destruct, that is not out of the question, man. Not out of the question. Whoa! My goodness. Almost knocked over my entire camera there. That would have been terrible. Check out Cutting Edge Engineering Australia on YouTube, Mr. Simon. Really cool channel. His dog gets more from viewers than Claybro gets in Super Chat stickers. I need a dog. I need to bring the chipmunk inside, man. Claybro! What? Linux? Needs a Brokeback Mountain-like movie. Luna needs a Brokeback Mountain-like movie to advertise for that pump us all bros. Oh, yes. Easy ride. If acting in that movie with me sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. He's really good at machining and welding. He's self-made too. Wow, very nice, Pudgy. Mahalo, Clay. Mahalo, T. I got my stickers. Hope y'all having an awesome day. Boom! T-Plays grabbing stickers. I love it, man. I sub Pudgy. We'll check it out later. Thanks. Boom. Simon, very good, man. Moji, get goop. Get goop. Get goop, Moji. Get goop. Get goop. Moji, get goop, man. Get goop, Moji. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. We are definitely getting a goop around here. Bro, I'm down. It's been a while since I've coded. But if I got back into it, man, I'll let you. Well, good deal, Dark Bro. Good deal. You probably know how to code better than these Terra Rebels do anyway. When's the music video? Caesar, whenever you want me to drop the music video, man, I'll be dropping it anytime you want. The new single comes out at the end of the year. Clay Bro, what is the percent probability that we run now and then come November 1st, so when Fed talk, we'll go back down, Bitcoin, so PS5, I don't know if I can necessarily give you a probability on that, okay? If we're looking at Bitcoin right here, we still can't break this 20,000 level. It's an important level, right? We wicked out of it today, but we're right back down in. I can't give you a probability on us breaking back out through the 20,000. Just know that if we do confirm a breakout to the upside, we're going to be much better off. And if we confirm a breakout beyond 21,000, things are going to be looking pretty good in the short term. However, we still haven't broken out at 20, dude. We're still there's no difference in being right here at 20 and being where we were, 2 weeks ago in this mid-range right here at 19.7, 19.8. It's just the channel that people are comfortable trading in right now. So we should expect some tests to the upside, some tests to the downside, and so on. But I still think, man, pressure, overwhelming pressure is to the downside there. And actually, if you look at these lower highs that we keep hitting, boom, 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 basically touching that right here, man, and continuing the exact same pattern that we've been continuing. And that dates all the way back to June. If you're just looking at these highs right here, we're still following the same lower highs that we've been hitting since, August, man. So we're still following the same trend line, the negative trend line down here that we've been in for quite some time now, man. Probably better half of a year. So we still haven't necessarily broken out to the upside yet, is what I'm saying. We've had a good day, but it's not necessarily something to get overwhelmingly excited about. Tim! You guys know what time it is. Time to get hard. Like a diamond. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? I know Tim is, man. Anybody else hard like a diamond? Let me know in the chat right now, Tim. Thank you very much for that diamond. Really appreciate that, man. In my opinion, a bro park has been canceled due to the lack of funds. Maybe next year. Oh, we need to get Bro Park back in action. Long-term retirement portfolio. Wheelchair down. Fast forward. Rozzy, I'm not in a wheelchair. When Brocoin. Sky Stonify. When should we make Brocoin? I was acting that up earlier. I was acting that up. No, I was listening. I was trying to read Easy Ride. I was asking you guys about that earlier. Brocoin during a bear market. Is Brocoin during a bear market good? So when the next bull market comes, it's got history, and people think, oh, okay, this coin's been out a while, I should invest in this. Or Brocoin during a bull market when people are just buying anything. What do you think, bear market or bull market? Long-term retirement portfolio closed up 1.83% today. The truly awesome part, it is only in the red by less than $57 overall. Dollar cost average for the win. Nice, Frank. So, Clay, I can figure support and resistance, learn from you. I know calls and puts and when I should do them. But what would your number one sign that we are heading into a bull market? So, Bronson, my number one sign, man, and I don't know if this is necessarily number one or not, like where it falls on the list, but economic recovery, okay? Economic recovery is definitely going to be a very big sign. Now, that means interest rates and inflation are falling, not rising. Now, we can start, okay, and I'll say this, we can start the bear market, or the bull market, sorry. We can start the bull market prior to interest rates and inflation rising. Falling. Gosh, dude. So it's good when they're coming down. That's why I'm getting mixed up. I'm saying one's falling and the other one's rising. When interest rates and inflation are falling, we can see rising prices. So Do I consider inflation falling right now? Not necessarily. When I know we've had 3 consecutive months of declining inflation rates, but it's been like 8.5%, 8.3%, 8.2%. Very, very stagnant declines. And if we start to level off in that area and stay at 8%, it's not going to be conducive to growth. So I don't see us starting a bull market until we've got some actual progress being made in both inflation and interest rates. Now, if you want another sign that the bull market is here, might be too late to buy in, like right at the bottom and so on. But company earnings, okay? Right now, I think you're going to see a lot of what we just saw on Google. Company earnings are falling, bad news, and that's because these companies are having to deal with 9+% inflation rates, and it's taking a toll on their business, so therefore their earnings are falling. You have a perfect bull market scenario when earnings are rising and interest rates and inflation are falling. That's your best case scenario right there. And right now, we're basically in the worst case scenario. We've got earnings that are declining, and we've got inflation and interest rates that are rising. So those like 3 things you can look at if you really want to, I guess, gauge the overall sentiment of the market and not necessarily just a trade. So, and those are much slower moving indicators, and you know, they're not going to be able to tell you to turn on a dime and whatever. But those are the 3 things that you should really be looking at. And there's a multitude of things that affect inflation rates and interest rates and earnings as well. But you got to see all of those positive signs there to be convinced that you're in a very strong market. Let's see. Kalido Farm, what's going on, man? Easy ride. I'm a Brokeback Mountain cow bro. I like it. Easy ride. Cow bros, baby. Cow bros are the way to go. Easy rides and Brokeback Mountain cow bro. I love it. Easy ride. Thank you very much for the super chat. I like that idea, dude. Brokeback Mountain cow bro. I like that. Bear market is when great things are built. Jerry Rose for U.S. Senate. Dude, you're right, man. You're right. If you can't make it through, you know, bear markets are like refineries, okay? Everything else, all of the weeds, all of those that can't survive, survival of the fittest and that entire concept, that is weeded out during the bear markets. It's true. You cut the fat off everything. Companies that go bankrupt, go bankrupt. Cryptocurrencies that can't survive, lower prices and weeding out of their communities, they won't survive. Only the strongest will survive. And will absolutely build business, build commitment, and build millionaires as well. And hey, look, if you don't have $1,000 to throw on crypto, the bull market that returns will give you $1,000 to throw on crypto. If you've got $100 right now, there's very, very little chance that you won't have 1,000 when the bull market returns. It gives you time to establish a history and build up the development coin much better. Yeah, Dark Bro, that's kind of what I was thinking about today. I was throwing that back and forth with my dad and wondering if I ever did create a coin like that, you know, one, what would it be used for, stuff like that, and so on. But I was thinking about the timing of it too. And here's what my thoughts were. I'm going to say this. I'm going to tell you my thoughts on it right after I say, John J! Thank you very much for the super chat. What? I don't even know what that is, dude, but I love that emoji right there. Purple crying, guys. I've never even seen that. Was that all? Now is crypto going to dump lower lows? Sad lick and stick time. I don't even know what that was. Oh, John J, man. Is crypto going to dump right now? John J, dude, I don't know what you guys want from me, man. Sad lick and stick time. Dude, you guys are into some funny stuff. John J, dude, thank you very much for that super chat. Really, that was actually a good one, man. Thank you very much for that. And I'm glad you actually told me what that was. Like, I didn't get that. So I didn't realize that was a sad lick and stick time. So thank you very much for explaining to me what the emoji lineup was for. Bruno, so I don't have any Cardano at the moment. I did sell my Cardano. Oh gosh, dude, I sold it a while back. Cardano was at like $3, right? Cardano was like $3. I honestly forget where I sold it. I sold my Cardano back in 2021 sometime. I really don't know where it was, though. I think it had to have been in this range right here. It had to have been in this range right here. I like Cardano, though, right? Cardano's getting hit very hard, down 80+% right now from the highs. But I do like Cardano and will not have a problem buying in and adding to my position during the bear market, man. But I don't have any Cardano right now. I did sell it earlier. Looked like a prison time licking stick. Yes, it did, man. Sad licking stick. BTC back above 20K. Let's go. Bitcoin 20,119 right now. I'm going to study cybersecurity, so I might be able to help. Hey, Caesar. Oh, yeah, that's what I was saying. That's an excellent plan too. But you know what I was thinking too is if you make a coin, right, with really no intentions of driving up value during the bear market, because it's very difficult, dude. You can look at these other coins right now. You can look at Shiba Inu coin. They literally have a multi-million-dollar gaming studio building this game, and it does nothing for the price. It all boils down to simply people wanting to buy it. And if we did come up with a coin, right, and there's 67 of us in here, 67 of probably the broest of the bros. And I think you guys would agree with that. And I'm sure I don't see Pika's name. I don't see JB's name, Nick F, SD. I don't see a lot of the normals in here either. You guys might be regulars, not normals. It might be a lot of people listening that's not typing and so on. But if we did come out with a coin, right, where we were committed to not trading it at all during the bear market, and we did develop that solid history of not I guess coming out and then dumping off 90% like a lot of these random coins do. If you set up some parameters where there was really limited downside but also limited growth, you're not going to expect to go out there and see some massive upside, and you had that solid level of sustainability so that the next time the bull market does come around, I can almost guarantee you the 67 people in here would be millionaires simply based on the fact that you were here and you made it through. You literally did nothing other than hold through the bear market and not create any selling pressure at all. It would almost be inevitable that the bull market would make multimillionaires. Poor Clay, you could have bribed your way out of the sad licking stick with a carton of cigarettes and a hold my... I don't even know what hold my pocket means. I forgot what hold my pocket means. Dark bro, midterms. I'm feeling better after midterms. Well, we hope so, right? Regulars, not... Yeah, transparent. I realized that after I said normals, man. Because nobody in here is normal. I'll tell you that right now. Nobody in here is normal. But however, you do regularly frequent the live streams. So that is a difference there. It's Tim midterms of feeling, whatever is going to happen is a good to happen around that time or shortly after. I hope so, man. Been turning my ballot stacks for midterms. Let's go, man. Let's do it. I'm smiling in real... What? Or irregular, and maybe not. Yeah, there you go, John J. Yeah. Nobody in here's normal, I know that, but definitely regulars are in here. Not normal, but I'm a regular. There you go, easy ride. You caught on, man. I'm regular, but Clay always forgets me. Simoninho! No, I never forget you, Simon. I saw your name in here already. We are Clay, bro, and the bros. Heck yeah, Caesar. No, I really do think that would be sweet, man. I really do think it would be sweet. And I know that, could you imagine if there's 67 of us in here? We just got bro coin, held it through the bear market simply to not manipulate the price, but sustain the price action, knowing that the bull market would bring gains. I don't think that there would be any other. I don't know, man. I think that would be phenomenal. 4:20 o'clock somewhere. Yes, it is. I don't know, bro. You turn a bunch in for your long lost relatives too. Maybe, man. Maybe. You've got to turn as many ballots in as possible for everybody, Moji. There you go, Mr. Simon. Maybe because Clay wanna. What? I'm wanna? Or Simon's wanna? Somebody's wanna. Abby, a normal young friend. What? I don't even know what's going on. My digestive system is very irregular. Transparent. That is good to know, man. Good to know. We are normal and we are proud of it. Heck yeah, man. Really, Clay? I think instead of bro coin, I think we need to I think we need bro exchange for crypto. Bro exchange for crypto. Your keys, your wallet with transaction fees. If I need how to build an app, I would after the Voyager BS. Oh, dude, bro exchange would probably be even better than a bro coin. Yes, I think you are right on that one. I think that would probably be a lot more in depth than just creating a coin. But yeah, could you imagine? And a coin comes with it, right? A coin comes with it. You got Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Sushi Swap. You got all these different swaps where you can go on there, and you've got these decentralized exchanges. Dude, you could have BroX, man. You could have BroX. It's the Bro Exchange. BroX would be sweet. Everybody would be using BroX. So, Bronson, I think you might be on to something with that one. I think it might be more in depth than just a coin, but you are definitely right, man. Bro, I'm telling you right now, if somehow Brocoin becomes a reality, I'm down, baby. I'm down. I think it would actually be pretty sweet to see everybody be down. Even if you had locked wallets, right, where you couldn't sell until the price ran up drastically or something, to guarantee anybody who was given Brocoin or anybody of the initial investors, probably the 72 of you guys in here, were basically locked in until you saw some massive gains to help contribute to the growth, dude. Whatever idea people could come up with to sustain the price through the bear market and take advantage of the bull market would be absolutely phenomenal, man. I think that would be great, especially because do you guys realize how many people are going to come flocking back to cryptocurrency when prices are going up? Do you realize how many people are going to do that? There's going to be hundreds of thousands. There's going to be millions of people flocking back to buy crypto once it starts taking off again. Click, give me a wrench for the forgotten. Easy ride. Hold My Pocket is from the prison show, Scared Straight. Patrick. Okay, I know what show that is, but I don't know. I know it references something about being, belonging to somebody else and some weird things. When you start pumping stepsisters. I've always been doing that, man. They live. Alien mask on the way. Going to have some fun with trick-or-treaters for Halloween. There you go. 1776. Call it the Broker Exchange. I actually like that, man. Dang, dude. Caesar's got some good ideas. For example, we've got a King Peach. I don't even know how this one works because you can't see the crown when you can see the peach. JDB, thank you. JDB, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh, TRG Toys. We get a new green member in the chat right now. 74 of you guys. I want to see welcome to TRG Toys in the chat right now. TRG, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Absolutely appreciate it. We got 74 welcomes coming your way. Guys, if you're listening right now and not typing in the chat, please be active in welcoming TRG to the channel and grabbing that green name. Absolutely love to see that. And this is not a drill. Make sure to throw a welcome out there for TRG. Let's see. Frank, ask it again about IBC, man. I didn't see what you said before that with the super chat and with TRG on there. Moji saying welcome. John J saying welcome. D214 saying welcome. John J, welcome. Easy Rod, yes, laughing at that. TRG, figured it out. It's about time, bros. Thank you, TRG. Genie B, got a real sense of Genie B is great. Welcome, TRG. Tim, thank you. I saw some YouTube videos of Finesse burning 1.2 trillion with a game. Thoughts or comments? Yeah, Frank, I do have comments on that. I believe you're talking about the Lithosphere game, right? Are you talking about the Lithosphere game? If you are, I've done some videos on that in the past, right? And I am almost positive, okay, that the numbers at the time, people were going to need to spend roughly $62 billion in that game in order to create those kind of burns. Now, that was with the 1.2% burn tax. Now, they would need to spend at least 62 times between $360 to $400 billion in that game in order to create that type of a burn. I can guarantee you that game, even if it's the greatest game in the world, is not going to see $360 billion, $400 billion spent on it in our lifetime. Okay? Not going to happen. Some of the best mobile games in the world right now, dude, Candy Crush, might do $1 billion a year in sales. And that would be 400 years at Candy Crush levels. So don't expect that game to burn that amount of coin. 60 billion at the 1.2% rate. They would need to spend roughly 400 billion right now to burn that many coins. They're not going to do it. Skystone5! Thank you very much for the... Oh, Skystone5! Thank you very much for the mustache. Skystone5! Are you listening through your headphones right now? Skystone5! Skystone5, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. Absolutely loving it. Hopefully my dude's got his beautiful Bluetooth headphones on right there, and they're working perfect. Welcome to the non-normals. Yes, Caesar, welcome to all the non-normals out there. Everybody in here. Miss Jeannie, did you ever get my friend request in the Discord? Very good to know. That was coming from King Mamba, by the way, Jeannie, not me. Hey, bro, Shiba Inu LUNC, that's it. Choose one, please. Oh, man. At the moment, Terra Luna Classic. Why? It's still got more attention going on. Long term is going to be a tough decision, though. If these guys can build it back, Terra Luna Classic does stand to see more potential than Shiba Inu coin does. However, Shiba Inu coin seems to be, in its current state, a little more stable than Terra Luna Classic is, and holding higher valuations. So it is a very difficult judgment, but right now, based on volatility and excitement, I gotta go with Terra Luna Classic. Longer term, based on everything that's being built or currently is built, Shiba Inu coin probably looks slightly better. $200 million worth. Let's go, man. Let's do it. Brokeback Mountain Cow, bro. Heck yeah, easy ride, bro. I was just looking at what it takes to create a token, and honestly, it doesn't take that much. It looks like ERC20 tokens are the easiest. So they are. Yeah, Dark Bro. ERC20 tokens, very easy. Also, Binance Smart Chain tokens. Very easy as well to create these tokens. And I don't think that I have what it takes to actually create a coin, right? You have to create an entire blockchain and develop an entire blockchain to get your own coin out there. I don't have the skill set to do that. Creating a token is a completely different story. Yeah, man, you basically just go out there and tell them how many coins you want, what you want to call it, and get to marketing that coin. Batteries died. No, Skystone5, the regular irregulars. There you go, Matthew Clibro. Speaking of mobile games, are we ever going to see the numbers on Shiba Eternity? Tim, good question. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to show us any numbers. Dude, are they going to show us numbers once a year? Like, how often are the burns going to be? Are they going to burn it all? I don't know. How those hoodies going? How is Jimmy Neutron costume going? Time is running out. Time is running out, man. Jimmy Neutron costume is not going well at all. And hoodies, I do have stuff cut out, right? I do have big bro logos and stuff like that, and little bro logos cut out, but I don't have anything ironed on the hoodies yet. I was kind of just printing a bunch of stuff out, a bunch of bro logos for shirts and hoodies to do. Ryan Luke all the way up, dog. There you go, Auto, bro. Clay, promoting our new bro, TRG Toys, has an actual store site selling very nice, man. TRG Toys, very cool. What kind of toys and collectibles do you have there? Patrick, TRG, have one on me. Patrick says, this one's for you. TRG, man. If you don't know how to eat a hot dog, here's your hot dog. Dude, you dip your hot dog in whatever your favorite dip is, and when you're done dipping your hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove it. That's how you eat a hot dog. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. TRG, hopefully you enjoyed, man. Matthew says, we will probably not see numbers on Shib Eternity. You know how secretive they are, which is strange, right? Which is strange because to a certain degree, I get it. But to another degree, do we just trust them? When they, maybe they burn $5,000 at the end of the year. Do we just trust them? They only profited $50,000 on the Shiba Eternity game throughout the entire year. Very interesting to think about that right there. And my answer is no, dude. You don't trust them. You don't trust them. If you don't see the numbers, you don't trust them. Why would you do that? Like they get audited at the end of the year anyway. They have to, they have to pay their taxes and all of that stuff. You just can't trust these numbers that people post out there. Not yet, Genie. Watching, though. What did Genie say? Darn it, I didn't see what Genie said there. Emoji, you are in are you in Tectonic too? Gotcha. Thanks, CD214. It's a simple life. There you go, TRG toys. But I like it, man. What kind of toys you got, dude? Action figures, statues, grown man stuff, Marvel, Star Wars, DC, etc. Very cool, TRG. I prefer the banana. TRG likes the hot dog, but he prefers the banana. Nice, TRG. A Nana fan, TRG? Oh, he might be a Nana fan. We'll never find out where the 50% of their profits go either. They said it's proprietary. Yeah, dude. Well, we know where it goes, though, Matthew, right? It's going to go by oh, God, what's his name? William Volk. It's going to buy William Volk a nice new car, new house. Shitoshi, he's gonna have a nice new car and a new house. Hey, we know where it's going. Moji, thank you. This one might be for TRG. TRG is a Nana fan. Moji, when you're done peeling that banana, man, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Moji, eye contact the entire time. You guys already know what it is. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Really appreciate that. And I think the TRG appreciates it even more than I do. Moji, dude, thank you very much. Just to let you know, Clay, I'm always here. I love to listen to you, man. I just comment all the time. I can't comment, I just comment all the time because I'm worried. Gotcha. Hey, Killer Page, good deal, man. Really appreciate the fact that all you guys listened, even if you can't comment and all of that. I absolutely get it. But, dude, we have a lot of fun in here, so I thank everybody for hanging out when they can and typing when they can as well, keeping the conversation going. JDB says, hold on, I got you. GDB, it is so difficult to get that one correct. I can't even see myself on the camera, so I know that I'm probably not on screen very well doing that, but Genie B, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh, that is by far the most difficult one to pull off. I only see 7 likes. Oh, dude, if there's only 7 likes, I'm ending right now. Now I see 47 likes. Caesar, you scared me, dude. You scared me. 47 likes is not bad. If you guys are in here and did not click the like button, please click the like button. Get us to, I don't even know what it is. Outdo, bro. What do you do with a pickle, man? What do you do with a pickle? I don't know how to eat a pickle. Gosh, man. It's like, oh God, dude, what do you do with the pickle? You do like the same thing? It's like the same thing as the hot dog. After you get the pickle out of the jar, you pick the pickle up out of the jar, man. After you get the pickle out of the jar, you just like, I don't know what to do with a pickle. Dip that pickle, baby. Outdo, bro. Okay, yeah, you dip it. You take a bite and dip it. You put it in the juice. It's a very small pickle, though, man. Very small pickle, and then you just. Thank you very much, Outdo, bro. No idea how to eat a pickle like that. You guys are hilarious, man. GDB, yes, guys, please click the like button. Bruno, thank you very much for the thumbs up, man. Bite it, make it. You gotta bite it, make a poker face. Yeah, Dark, bro, I could do that too. Later, bro. Guys, I can't believe it's basically, we got 1 minute left in the live stream. This is ridiculous. Bite the tip. Why do you guys know all about eating pickles, man? Why do you guys know all about this stuff? It's a very small pickle, Mo. It's a very small pickle. Pickles are more sophisticated. Oh, my bad, man. You just gotta put the pinky out. You gotta put the pinky out. Remember, there are 2 games that William Volk developed, one for the app and Google Play Store, and the second for Shiba Inu blockchain ecosystem. William Volk owns the first one and all the income from it. So maybe until the blockchain version is out, they are giving Shib a donation after William's profits, oh my God. Yeah, Matthew. So, I mean, you are correct on that. There are two versions of the game. We have not yet seen the one version of the game because it's on Shibarium, and Shibarium has not yet been released. Important question. Sky Stonefire, what's the important question? I did not see if I saw the important question. The bulk of Binance's burns are just their trading fees, so they don't include the 10%. So, Sky Stonefire, that is incorrect, okay? So all of Binance's burns are their trading fees. So you are correct on that part. All of the burns are Binance's trading fees. But what happens is anything sent to the burn wallet during the entire week. So it doesn't matter if it's coming from you. It doesn't matter if it's coming from Binance. It doesn't matter if it's coming from the burn tax. Anything that goes to that burn wallet, at the end of the week, it is reminted. So let's say Binance burnt 1.3 billion. Let's say there was 2 billion Terra Luna Classic destroyed during the last week. At the end of the week, the blockchain remints 2 billion Terra Luna Classic, and as of last week, just redestroyed those 2 billion Terra Luna Classic. So they were burnt. Right now, it remints 2 billion Terra Luna Classic and destroys 90% of it. Now the remaining 10% is sent over to the developer's wallet. So that is the difference. So yes, the Binance burns numbers are also, so 10% of that is being sent to the community wallet there. Very important question, very important answer. So no, Binance burns are also sent over to are skimmed with 10%. So Binance sends over $320,000 like they did. $32,000 goes to the community pool right now. When Binance sent over 1.8 billion, if the current tax rate was on it, that would have sent $180,000 to the community wallet. Whoo, guys, I can't believe it's already 5:02. We gotta go for now. We got videos coming out at 7 p.m., videos coming out at 8 p.m. Get your name in the chat right now. We will do some shout outs, and then we will be back with the videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours. Appreciate every single one of you guys. We got Dark Bro, man. Shout out to you, Bronson. Shout out Sky Stonify, Moji, Tim, Outdo Bro, Genie, Moji, Genie, one and only Bronson. We got Genie, 1776. Oh my God, you guys are crazy, man. 1776, Caesar, Moji, Matthew, Tim, Caesar, Sky Stonify, Moji. Sends their burns to a different wallet instead of the official wallet. That would cut the devs' skims. Matthew, that's an interesting concept there. That's an interesting idea, and I do think that would work. It may not be considered an official burn wallet, but I do think that would work. Unless, of course, the developers simply said, well, this is being used as a burn wallet, so we're going to skim off this wallet too, which they can do. You know, when they're in charge of the code, they can do that. So yeah, that would be an interesting experiment, let's say, if they did do that, and then the developers tried to skim that one as well. I like the way you're thinking, though, Matt. Shout out to Next Level TRG, Jennifer Caesar, Old Rounder, One Only Bronson, Transparent Trading, King Mamba Frank. We got Tim, Noob Clan. We got 1776, Matthew Dropco, Genie B. Thank you for the. Thank you very much for the superhero super chat, Genie B. Really appreciate that little lemon head and little lime head, dude. Superhero super chat, best one ever. See y'all Thursday. Where's Moji gonna be at tomorrow? Moji, coming on. Let's go. You gotta be here tomorrow with us. Mr. CA has plenty of burn wallets you can use. I would hope so, Matthew, actually. Shout out to 1776, Matthew, GDB, Moji, Bruno, Hemi Life. We've got Outdo Bro, Bruno, Caesar, and all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moto Lifer coming in what I thought was late, man, but Moto Lifer is still here. Thank you very much for the unicorn. Moto Lifer says, Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the super sticker. I don't know if that came in a little late or not, but nonetheless, really appreciate that, Moto Lifer. Absolutely loving the unicorn. Got here late again. Dang, yes, you did, but it's all right. We got the unicorn in. Everything good to go on that one. Shout out to Moto Lifer, Jennifer, Bruno, Joe's Krantz, man. See you later. Jennifer, Matthew, Dropco. We got Moto Lifer, Genie B, Moto Lifer. All of you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moji! Thank you. Oh gosh, Moji, definitely trying to wear me out on this one. Moji, one of the best ones there is, though. I got you. Moji, man, thank you. That one almost is like an immediate sweat when that takes place, dude. That is such a hard exhale to do that it's almost an immediate sweat after it takes place. Moji, man, thank you very much for the super chat, dude. One of the best ones out there. Definitely one of the hardest ones to do. Dare you guys to try it as you're signing off here. But nonetheless, man, shout outs to Matthew, Moto Lifer, Genie B, Moto Lifer, King Mamba, Moji, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. And hopefully your day tomorrow, drilling concrete or whatever you gotta do, goes very easy for you. Aldo Bro, Moto Lifer, Tim, JB, or Genie B, sorry, Moto Lifer, KC, Moto Lifer, Genie B. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for Moji, what are we waiting for, man? I don't even know what we're waiting for right now, Moji. Thank you very much. Moji, we're waiting for the bro ASMR right there on the neckbeard ASMR. Yes, Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. You guys are saying, come on, peeps. They're not going to do it, man. They're not going to keep me overtime today. No, Moto Lifer, thank you very much. Moto Lifer says, oh, keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. One more. Keep it up. Oh, my gosh, Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the super chat. Genie B says, try this one on for size, Claire, bro. I bet you can't. Bet you I can, Genie B. That just throws all the blood to your head, and then you got to come right back up immediately after. Genie B, now I'm stuck in the chair. Thank you very much for the super sticker right there. Moto Lifer, man, really appreciate that. I'm trying to keep it up. I'm trying, Moji. I'm trying, Moto Lifer. I'm trying, Genie B. I'm trying, Moji. I'm trying, all you guys. I'm trying. We got shout-outs to Moji. Shout-outs to Auto Bro, Moto Life. We got Tim, Genie B, Moto Life, KC, Moto Life, Genie B, Moto Life, Moji. We got Moto Life, Genie B. Tim says, I forgot how to eat a hot dog, man. Hey, bro, dinner, hot dogs tonight. How do you eat one? You dip and shove, man. You dip and shove. You dip the hot dog down in your favorite dip, whatever your favorite dip is. You dip it down, and then after you're done dipping, you shove it. One bite. Tim, thank you very much for the hot dog, man. I love it. Genie B, it is, oh, Oh, this is just the best thing ever. Genie B, thank you very much. Tim, you're the man. You make him bang now. Oh, man, 1776. It's ridiculous. Overtime just started. Rozzy said, what about a little king unicorn that eats a banana? I don't know, man. A king unicorn that eats a banana. You take the banana. The banana's always on the left hand. I don't know what I'm doing on the right hand. You take the banana. You got the unicorn horn right there. Yes, unicorn horn looking very good. You take the banana. You lick the banana. Stick the banana. Thank you very much, Rozzy, for the banana-eating king unicorn. There's a lot going on that sticker, isn't there? Banana-eating king unicorn always enjoys the banana. Thank you very much, Rozzy. Tim, dude, shout out to you. Genie B, Moto Lifer, Moji, Genie B, 1776, Rozzy, Tim, Genie B, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have a King Mamba, thank you very much. We got a hot dog and a banana from OG with the member chat. We got a hot dog. You guys already know you dip the hot dog. After you're done dipping the hot dog, you shove the hot dog. And with the banana, you take it and you lick it and stick it. Oh, King Mamba. That one's for you, Moji, right there. Banana and a hot dog. Moji says you're not done yet, man. We need to see you sweat, boy. All right, well, if you want to see me sweat, that's completely fine, Moji. That's on you, dude. All right, you ready for this? Oh my gosh, I'm out of air. Oh my goodness, Moji, thank you very much. That is, yeah, you guys can see, man. That super sticker right there definitely makes you sweat. Absolutely ridiculous, Moji. Thank you very much, man. Shout out to who we got here. We got Moji, Moto Life for Genie B, Tim. We got Rozzy, King Mamba, Moji, Easy Ride, Corey, Tim, Moto Life for Genie B, Tim. All of you guys, absolutely amazing. Appreciate every single one of you. Definitely sweating now. We're probably going to have a thank you very much, Genie B, for the super sticker. I was going to say shower after the live stream, but it doesn't seem like the live is going to be over. Genie B! I can't even see straight. Genie B, thank you very much for the super sticker. That is by far the most difficult combination to pull off. Getting lightheaded after Moji's super sticker and then coming in there with the upside down super sticker. One of the most difficult combinations to do in the history of super stickers. Genie B, thank you very much. Moji, absolutely, man. Thank you very much. King Mamba, Rozzy, we've got Tim. Who else do we have up there? Genie B, Moto Lifer, Moji, Easy Ride. Shout out to you, Corey, Tim, Moto Lifer, Genie B, all of you guys. Never be sorry, Genie B. Never be sorry. Know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Tim, thank you very much for the Oh, that one's actually fun to do. I do like doing that one. Oh my gosh. Moji! It wouldn't be easy if that was just a Moji, but it's not. It's a Moo. Moji. Moji starting a zoo in here. Thank you very much, Moji. Really appreciate that, man. Tim, dude, shout out to you. Genie B, Tim, Moji, Moto Lifer, 1776, Moto Lifer, Easy Ride, Moto Lifer. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Ooh, game over. Ooh, game over. Ooh, game over. Moto Lifer says that it is game over. Game over. Moto Lifer, man, thank you very much. Seems to be like the game is over, guys. We got shout outs to Moji, Tim, Genie B, Moto Lifer, Easy Ride, Moto Lifer, Moji, Moto Lifer, Genie B, Tim. All of you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.